Hi, folks. How are you doing today? Good to see you here on our YouTube channel or wherever else you have come from and joined our YouTube channel. All along, I have been talking about why is event planning for you. Today, I'm going to turn this around a bit and I'm going to tell you why event planning is not for you. Okay. And these are some of the points. I have 5 signs that tell me when I take interviews for people whom event planning is not made for, right? So I want you to look at this and listen to this very carefully, okay? 1, you're scared of technology because event is all about being in the moment, right? You have to understand technology to its fullest. And if you're not updated on a daily basis, right, you cannot be an event planner. I meet young people now who say that we are tired of social media. Yes, I understand. But social media is a part of event planning. You have to be present on the minimum 4 platforms that are there. You cannot shy away from social media. Your social media handles have to be updated and they have to be there all the time, right? So if you're scared of technology, and social media is only one part of tech, what about things like augmented reality, virtual reality, right? These are things that you need to stay abreast of, right? You need to know what all is happening, right? So I need you guys to consider this point number 1. Point number 2 is that you need to inherently be a manager. You should not be scared of getting things done. Believe me, in an event, there are not tens of people, there are hundreds of people who are involved. And if you're not going to be able to be the team in the team I, okay, you cannot do this. You have to be able to get things done. You have to be able to collaborate and be able to get your work done, right? So that is the point number 2. Point number 3 is chit chatting. Chit chatting has got its pros and cons, right? What is chit chatting? Useless kind of talking to people is absolutely not allowed. But if you're ready to talk to people, discuss current affairs, discuss what is happening today, discuss about the event, discuss ideas, come up with crazy ideas. In our organization, we have 90% of our people are between the ages of 21 and 23. I must tell you that, okay? And these people come up with a lot of ideas. And I'm sure most of you who are listening in are in that age bracket, right? Don't get scared of your ideas. Share your ideas. That's the way it is going to work, right? So that's point number 3. Point number 4, and this is a very interesting point, is that you get tired easily, right? Now, why are you getting tired, dude? You cannot get tired. You're young, energetic. At my age, touch wood, okay? I cannot afford to get tired. There's no question about it. Look at the current prime minister of the country. He sleeps 3.5, 4 hours a day. Look at any of the successful people in the world, right? There is no question of getting tired. If you're getting tired, that means you're not enjoying what you're doing. Okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. You are not meant to be a event manager stroke event planner, right? You're not meant to be that. So if you're getting tired easily, that means there is a problem. That means you're not enjoying, go take up a desk job. Okay, so that's my 4th point, okay? And my 5th point, which is an antithesis to the chit chatting, okay? Which says that you have to learn to be a good listener. If you're not a good listener, if you want to keep talking all the time, if you're cutting people short in between of a conversation that is happening, you cannot become an event planner. So please, please, please learn to listen to people if you want to be an event planner. So I'm going to repeat these 5 points quickly, okay, to tell you the reasons why you cannot become an event planner. You cannot become an event planner if 1, you're scared of technology. If 2, you cannot get things done. If 3, you don't have the ability to talk to people. If 4, you get tired easily. And if 5, you're not a good listener, right? So having said that, I hope this was useful to you and people who think that they want to take up event planning and have these qualities which are negative to event planning. Please do not take up event planning. That is my humble request to you. And having said that, please subscribe to the channel, be a part of us. There is a lot of information that is coming up here. All the best and have a great